I love my family dearly. My family is composed of 4 members: my mom, my dad, my little sister, and me. Firstly, there is my mom. She is the heart of our family. She works as a nurse, always taking care of others. She is a fantastic cook and makes the most delicious meals. Her warm smile brightens up our home, and she is always there to comfort me when I'm feeling down. Next is my dad. He is a hard-working man who provides for our family. He has a steady job and spends time with me and my sister whenever he can. He is my role model, teaching me important life lessons and helping me with my schoolwork. He also loves to tell us funny stories that make us laugh. My little sister is the youngest in our family, and she is a bundle of joy. She is full of energy and always eager to play games with me. She is also quite clever for her age and often surprises us with her insights. I enjoy helping her with her homework and watching her grow and learn. Lastly, there is me. I'm the eldest, and I try my best to set a good example for my sister. I enjoy spending time with my family, whether it's playing board games, watching movies, or going on weekend outings. We share our dreams and secrets with each other, and I know they'll always support me no matter what. My family means the world to me. Each member contributes their unique qualities and love to make our home a warm and happy place. We may have our differences, but our love for each other binds us together. I am truly grateful for my family, and I cherish every moment we spend together.